Twin State from Bethlehem K1.
Twin State answering Bethlehem K1.
Yes, be advised, this will be my final sign-off. Thank you guys for all your help. And thank everybody for an procession coming. Appreciate it.
Here is Chief Bethlehem K1, and Twin State acknowledges Chief Jack Anderson signing off for the final time after serving your community for well over 56 years, serving as Fire Chief of Bethlehem for 27 years, and President of Twin State Fire Mutual Aid Fire Association for 19 years. All of Twin State wishes you good health and happiness during your retirement. Thank you for your service. KSI 676, Twin State Fire Mutual Aid, 1901.
Now she's